This model kit review is of the Curtis P-40E and is a 1/72nd scale model by Heller Models, and don't really see any other details for this model, so let's have a look inside here and see what we have. So it's molded in grey plastic here. There's quite a lot of surface detail actually, but these are all raised rivet and panel lines. Also have our little gun ejection ports there. These are our wheel wells. It doesn't look like we have any detail here for the inside of the wheel wells, but a fair amount of surface detail. Here we have our fuselage halves, also with a fair amount of surface detail there. Nothing really on the inside of our cockpits. I don't know what that is. This is an old kit. Over here we have our remaining sprue, which has got our instrument panel over there with some detail, our elevators, our propeller with spinner here, a landing gear and wheels. This looks like our control stick there, and our exhaust ports. There's our little aiming thing to aim. This is probably part of our landing gear covers. Here's our fuel tanks, and it's probably part of a cockpit floor there, and the rear firewall or armor plating for behind the seat. There's our cockpit seat there, and here is the glass. We have minimal decals here. Really, this is an old model kit, so not a lot of detail on the decals. And let's see. Let's start on this side. So there's some details about the plane, and then a lot of text instructions. These are the colors needed there, and let's have a look at the other side here. Really just two main pictures here for instructions. Let's start over here. So we've got our propeller and spinner going together, and then we've got our cockpit. It's being placed on top over there. Wings are mounted to the fuselage. Fuselage is then put together, and we've got our canopy and side glass, and then our elevators. Underneath we've got our landing gear, wheel well covers there, and central fuel tank. Over here we have our painting and decal guide. Really, this is all in French, and I don't see, this is all the English part here. So all in all, molding quality is not bad, but not a lot of detail. Decals are terrible, but this is a really old model kit.